Today we're going to be fixing that bumper sag with the bumper latches that I just ordered, and my car needs a wash super badly. But this thing always popping out now. The bumper's not falling off, it looks like a freaking retarded Lego, and I want to fix that. Oh, this one doesn't even have the bumper thingy. That's why it was so saggy. But you want to basically take this off and then drill the hole and put on your clip. So we're about to do that. 'So we have it marked up. Mocked up. It's the same as marked up, you know, same shit. So we have it right there, that's where we're going to drill. And it's finally flush. Looks super clean. Happy with this side, now just gotta do the same thing with that side.
Six hours later.
I'm pretty satisfied with that. Why are you so blurry? Focus is butt cheeks, but yeah. Everything's back on. Both sides look great. Super happy with it. Easy install, just took too long. So much better than before. I like it low. This side is flush, like perfectly flush. This is the only side that keeps giving me issue. I don't know why, but it's still flush. It's not sticking out as much as before. I'm still happy with it. Definitely worth the $10 or maybe 16. I don't even remember. I know it was really cheap for the bumper latches. For 16 bucks, hell yeah, that looks so much better. Here it is again. As you can see, it's not popping out again. It's exactly flush on this side. Super happy with it. It just looks so much better. It's nice and flush. It's not going anywhere.